and he was very abusive also, so it was not a good relationship. मुझे कोई ऐसे career ambition के लिए नहीं भागी थी मैं.
Now, I've been told that you have gone through really shattering experiences in your personal life. How could you still retain on loving yourself? Because जब ऐसे experiences होते हैं, a person starts judging themselves, a person starts doubting themselves, a person starts hating themselves. What helped you at that moment? And would you be comfortable talking about the incident that I'm talking about?
I mean, what incident?
Well, I've been told that you've not had a very great experience with your father. Yeah, so would you want to talk about that?
Yeah, he was very conservative man. I think I'm an old soul. I was born like without, I was just born, you know, जब एक बच्चे को आप कुछ सिखाते हो तो वो वही फॉलो करता है. उसे बताया जाता है भगवान है, उसे बताया जाता है कि ये हम हिंदू हैं तो हम इसकी पूजा करेंगे, वो करेंगे, हम मुस्लिम हैं तो हम कुरान पढ़ेंगे, blah blah. But since my childhood, I've never had any interest in religion. None of these religions. I feel all religions are just something that was made thousands of years back cannot be followed right now. There need to be some changes. You need to get into that. So my father was very conservative and he really believed that women are here, men are here. So all that bullshit, which I didn't. So I was
patriarchy at its best.
Yeah, patriarchy. So I was not really, and he was very abusive also. So it was not a good relationship. I just wanted to run away from my house since the time I gained conscious, since I knew what was happening around me.
So did you run away?
Yeah, at the age of 17.
Wow. At the age of 17, when women can't decide which color top to wear with which color dress, there's a person who decided to make her own life. So Urfi, what was that thing that was telling you कि नहीं, no matter how much resistance I face at home, personal life, whatever, पर मुझे ये करना है. Where was that strength coming from?
मुझे कुछ नहीं करना था.
अच्छा.
मुझे कोई ऐसे career ambition के लिए नहीं भागी थी मैं. Because I didn't want to like have my life controlled. It's not like I was very ambitious or something. I was, but I was not confident. So there was no specific reason. It was just to run away from the mental trauma and the abuse. That's basically that. Not like I was very ambitious. I just thought I'll be working at McDonald's for all my life and marry a rich guy. But then I couldn't find a rich guy. So
McDonald's का job.
Yeah, both. So I thought that why not become a rich guy?
Alright, so Urfi, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि हम जब बड़े हो रहे होते हैं, हमारी शेपिंग एटीट्यूड की या हम किस तरीके से लाइफ को डील करते हैं, वो हमारे पेरेंट्स के द्वारा होती है. या तो फादर फिगर होता है या तो मदर फिगर होता है. Since you had resistance from your father, was there a strong woman in your life जिसकी वजह से आपके opinions आपके हैं, या ये actually सिर्फ उर्फी जावेद के हैं?
These are actually opinions of a lot of books that I've read, a lot of shows that I've seen. So it's not just, how do you even define yourself? We all are a mixture of the things that we are around and we see. You know, if you ask me these questions, the only answer I can give you with certainty is my name and my age. That's all that I know about myself. I don't know what am I. How did I become like this? It was a process and I don't know how did this happen.
No, but that's an amazing thing. You know, honestly, you need to understand the intention behind this chat is that, you know, you get to know, because there are many 16, 17-year-old girls sitting in a Kanpur, sitting in a Pune, sitting in Indore who would want the same fame that you're having now or would want to be there. But शायद उनमें उतना courage नहीं होगा for them to just, you know, take off and face their dreams. So I think it's a fantastic thing. And admitting that none of us know that who we are is a fantastic thing. So Urfi, tell me one thing, that जब आप छोटे हो और आपको नहीं support मिला है from your own family, does it change you as a person in how you approach other people in your life? Do you have that trust in you? Did you have that कि नहीं भाई एक बार किसी ने मेरा support नहीं किया, अब करेंगे? Does it make you a better person?
No, I'm not a bitter person at all. I have some anger issues, but I'm not a bitter person. I'm very friendly and I have never let my past shape me into who I am. What I am is actually the recent years which I've been out and I've been seeing things on my own. I think my personality right now is the last 7 years, 8 years which I've been out. I didn't let my childhood define me or make me into something better.
When you said abuse, first of all, I'm going to ask you this on camera. If it triggers you, we will not ask you. And if you're okay, we will ask you this. Will you be okay if I talk more about this?
Yeah, but when I say abusive, I just meant like physically.
Yeah, that's what I want to clarify that.
He was not sexual at all. No. Just physically, as in he was very, सबके घर पे होता है, मारते पीटते हैं, they don't understand all this shit. But to a point, it got very bad, you know, like he would hit us till the time we passed out. So
that's not normal by any standards. And I would like to say this, that Rufi, you know what, there's this whole international way of approaching things where you don't even hit your kids. और हमारे स्कूल में मार देते थे. Do you think that those kind of laws are required in our country? Because even if you're saying that, you know, it doesn't impact me, it doesn't affect me, it does hurt.
No, it leaves a mental scar.
Yeah.
A long time scar, yeah.
So are you finally happy, finally healed out of it now?
Yeah.
And what helped you? Your work, your friends, therapy, what helped you?
थेरेपी तो नहीं की आज तक, मतलब क्या ही जाए, मतलब मन तो करता है बट ऐसे कभी ख्याल नहीं आया. What helped me was reading. Maybe I just started reading a lot of books. मैंने अपनी सेल्फ की थेरेपी कर ली. और काम तो इतना मुझे कभी मिला ही नहीं है, वेरी ऑनेस्ट. काम तो मैं इतना ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं है, बट